Hello everyone, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations, and we're showing you a ensemble with a walkaway train, a long elated skirt, a beautiful top, and the headdress. So we're going to tell you what we did to make this garment. First of all, we made a skirt with a long split. Okay, we got the split right there. All right, we made the skirt where it fits close to the hips and still give her a nice slender look that's not looking too snug. Okay, now what we did was we added a splash of purple. This is a very beautiful piece. So if you're looking from Ghana, this is a Woodine piece. I know you know Woodine. Beautiful fabrics, Woodine. Beautiful, beautiful fabrics. So the Woodine fabrics always have like a beautiful gold inlay. See that beautiful gold inlay in that fabric? That's the statement of this beautiful Woodine fabric. Now we have a Nigerian brocade purple, a very rich purple brocade that we added with that. And we made a sweeping train. Now on the sweeping train, what I did here is I wanted the train to be to the side. I'm gonna step back so you can see it. I did not want the train to be all the way just like a typical train. I wanted it to be like a statement where she could pick it up in her arms and she could just sling it how she wanna sling it and just make a statement. Now when I did this, I put a rosette there. And with the rosette, I added some beautiful rhinestones. So if she's at a gala, she can actually see the stones with glitter for an evening event. With the skirt, I added her 2 deep inside pockets. So when she wears this without the train, she has a deep pockets that she can actually wear a business suit jacket with this skirt. Now, we want to tie the train in with the blouse. So the blouse, I use both pieces. I use the purple to do the bodice, and I also use the print for the sleeves. Now, inside of the sleeves, I put stays, which is strings that's inside, and inside it makes it so that the sleeve is a short distance. It's like a 3/4 distance. So it keeps the sleeves from sliding all the way down her arm. Okay, I want her to have range of motion, so I didn't want the sleeves too tight. I want the sleeves to be able to flow, and I wanted some fluff. And then she has a great sculptured, what we call it, a picture frame neckline. So we added a rhinestone to the neckline. She's been modeling tonight, so she's gonna have it in a little bit. But this is so beautiful. We've been doing rehearsals, fashion shows, and practicing for fashion shows with a garment. But this fits beautiful. When you're doing the modeling you're walking real fast, it comes up a little bit. But this is a dress rehearsal, so she doesn't have on the undergarment that's gonna hold it in place when she starts to get to her event. But I really wanted you to see how we pulled this together. Now on the sleeves here, I made a really wide cuff. If you can see that, I made a really wide cuff on the band. So it just gives just a very tailored look. It's just a nice tailored look. Then in the back, we have an elongated zipper. The zipper goes all the way down the back. And then the train is buttons on. It has buttons, and I made the train where it could be adjustable, because if we have water weight, the train can be, tight, or it could be loose. So I put 2 buttonholes on it with 1 button that she can actually adjust the train to her size. Now let us see her walk in the garment. Stunning, very stunning. This makes it nice for a formal look. And if she takes it off the train, she has a nice look that she can go to a church or a social event. Absolutely gorgeous. And as she come back, I want to show you what I did to the headpiece. The headpiece, or the gala, I actually added rhinestones to the headpiece. And here I have twisted it and tied it and made sure we got it to the right look that she wants. And I added the studs to it. And what we like to have here, we want to make sure we have at least 1 eyebrow seam. We want it to be nice, like you have your hat to the side. We wanted to make sure that it was actually accenting her face. and wanted to make sure that it was a statement piece when she puts it on. It could be adjusted in the back. So it depends on the type of hair she's wearing. It can be adjustable. Also, as you hold your head down a little bit, in the top of the hat is still an opening. So if she had a French roll or she had something that came up, she could still use that in the hat as well. It's hidden really well, but she can also do an updo with this piece. Again, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations, your international fashion designer for 39 years. Okay, this is 39 years. If you see something that you like, please leave me a note, ask a question, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you why you should like something. If someone is showing you something and give you an idea, can't you just give a thumbs up and do a like? That doesn't cost you a thing. So like, subscribe, and share it with someone. And if you're on your sewing journey, don't give up. Keep going. I started under a tree, okay, with no rack. And here we are with 6 stores later. Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations inside the beautiful West Oaks Mall. And we're preparing for my I Am Every Woman fashion show. Thank you.